according sa viewer na to, ang pangit daw ng review ko. Well, I make videos about online loan platforms to give you guys the right expectations about these loan apps. Mas masarap na pag-usapan yung legit. So in today's video, pag-usapan natin si Atome, buy now, pay later, at may pa-credit card siya. At depende sa offer ng system sa'yo, baka meron din kayong Atome Cash. So dami na sa inyo nagsasabi na okay yung loan platform na to or yung credit card na to. At ang dami din nag-claim na ang bilis daw niyang tumaas yung credit limit. I don't have the statistics kung gaano ba karami yung na-approve na. But as far as the comment section is concerned, then parang maganda nga yung platform na to. Kaya dapat natin pag-usapan siya. So, keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here. And in today's video, pag-usapan natin tong si Atome na buy now, pay later. Masarap pag-usapan yung legit. And by legit, I mean that this platform is registered with SEC. Submitting entity din siya sa CIC. At may pa-credit card yung drama niya, which I think is convenient. There are times lang na parang mas madali lang talaga bumunot ng card para magbayad. I'm gonna be honest na hindi po ako approve. At ilang beses na akong mag-try na mag-apply dito. But I wanna talk about loan apps na legit. Kaya nga guys, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe na kayo sa channel na to and hit that bell notification button para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong uploads ko. Para sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala kay Atome, it started as a buy now pay later platform, like app lang talaga siya. And now, meron na siyang pa-credit card that supposedly accepted siya sa lahat ng channels na nag-a-accept ng MasterCard as a method of payment. Pwede na rin nga siyang overseas. Anyway, so meron pa siyang mga pa-iPhone sa kanyang referral program. Before ako nag-try ulit after the 90-day na cooling period, may notification ako natanggap na refer daw family and friends to increase my chances of getting approved. Approve kaya nila ako muna and then I will refer. Bitter yarn. Ang dali naman po kasing magkaroon ng Atome account because all you need to do is just, if you meet the basic requirements, register ka lang with your phone number. And this loan app is available both sa Android and sa iOS. Yung tricky part is getting approved for an Atome Cash. Kung hindi nyo pa kilala to, then let me just show you the steps sa pag-activate or pagpapa-approve ng credit card dito sa kay Atome. Hopefully, kayo ma-approve. Asa na lang talaga ako dito. Pag login mo sa app, makikita mo yun to sa taas na if you've done this several times already, it will ask you to recheck and update. And magre-resubmit ka ng information mo. I lost count sa number of times na na-try ko to. But anyways, because masarap pag-usapan yung legit. So, pag-click mo ng black na link na yan, then lalabas yung overview ni Atome Card. Pay in 3 or 6 months daw, pay later anywhere, and then apply for free. Shop everywhere. MasterCard is accepted online, in-store, even overseas. So, pwedeng abroad. And then, yung features niya is that 0% interest daw siya. Enjoy up to days of 0% interest. No interest fee when you pay for your bills before your due date. No annual fees, hidden charges, and pesky paperwork. Spending limit up to 200,000 pesos. Manage your transactions and available spending limit in your Atome app. And flexible repayment in 3 or 6 months. Choose your payment plan of your monthly bills after the billing date. So, para talaga siyang credit card, only that it has extra features that you can, access through the app. How to apply? Easier said than done. Submit your application via the Atome app. Use your virtual card to shop online once application is approved. Get started instantly with a free physical card to be delivered to your doorstep. So, kung ready ka na and feeling mo ma-approve ka, click apply for free. And then, papipiliin niya kung anong kulay ng card na gusto mo. There's black, there's silver, or hologram na color, and there's pink. And need a physical card, then it will be delivered out in 10 days if approved. And then mag-a-agree ka sa Atome Card membership agreement and loan agreement. And then click next. Siyempre magsasubmit ka ng ID mo at kailangan mong picturean yung front and back ng ID. 5 pa lang yata yung IDs na acceptable dito. Kasama na yung National ID, Social Security System or SSS, Unified Multipurpose ID, passport, and your driver's license. Then, only apply kapag may ganun ka na. Moving forward, ayan, pipicturean mo yung front and back ng ID mo. Or, pwede ka rin mag-change. Kasi if ilang beses mo na itong gawin, andun na yung ID mo. If gusto mong palitan, i-click mo lang yung change photo. But if you want to proceed, just make sure that yung following fields still have the accurate or updated information. Kung ilang beses mo nang gawin yun, nandun na yung details mo, yung dating mong nasend. Paki-double check na lang kung tama pa rin ba yung andon. Just make sure na wala ka nang dapat i-update or kung may kailangan kang i-update, so update mo na lang, especially yung address. And then kung expired na yung ID mo, syempre dapat mo siyang palitan. Anyways, pipiliin niya kung ano yung gusto mong name na mag-appear sa card. Lalabas po yung options mo dyan. And just make sure na tama pa rin po yung mailing address. And then just click confirm. Next, magpa-facial verification siya for the nth time. Ilang beses ko itong pinagdaanan, guys. And just take note na lang ng kanyang mga instructions sa pagkuha ng facial verification. No glasses, no hats or scarves. Fit your face in the frame and get enough light. Kung ready ka na, start facial verification. And then yun, application is under review. May iba sa inyo nagsasabi na kung approve ka, kaagad mo raw malalaman. But sometimes siguro it takes more time to verify the information that you submitted. So sabi niya sa akin, 3 days daw. Ang daya, bes. After 3 days, sabi niya, hindi raw ako approve. And I need to try again after 90 days. Yun yung process niya. So good luck sa inyo kung gusto niyo mag-apply. I think kasi guys, submitting entity and accessing entity din siya sa CIC. And I hope na tama to ha. I hope this works. I am going to get my latest credit report before ako mag-apply ulit dito kay CIC. And I think I'm gonna go with TransUnion that you can download from the Lista app. It's $199, pero it's worth it talaga. Ang dami yung matututunan about where you stand in terms of credit history. Kasi sa credit report ni CIBI or ni TransUnion, andun kasi yung phone number mo, yung address mo, lahat ng information na pwede niyang masilip. Yun din siguro yung dapat na sundin sa next application. Good luck sa atin mga bes, sa mga palaging reject dyan. Huwag tayong sumuko guys, kasi mas maganda naman talaga na dun tayo sa legit, diba? So, sa mga laging reject dyan sa kay Atome, kasama na ako doon. Meron namang mga loan apps na baka ma-approve kayo dito. At yung kagandahan sa mga loan apps na to is that nagsasubmit din sila sa CIC. So, kung maganda yung record nyo sa loan app na to, then baka umangat yung credit score, makikita ni Atome. So, for now, na hindi pa tayo pwede kay Atome, pwede muna tayo doon. And you can find those loan apps, legit loan apps, sa playlist na to. Of course, it's legit Ola playlist by Ate Red. Feel free to check it out kasi baka mahanap nyo yung online loan platform na para sa inyo for now. At doon po tayo sa legit always. Hindi ko po pinopromote si Atome. Again, this video is not sponsored. It's based on my personal experience. And between Atome and Mukasa, I would go with Atome. Good luck na lang sa atin sa mga next nating application dito kay Atome kung ma-approve tayo. And that's all for today. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!